Welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in global events and climate changes, welcome to State of Planet channel. America is suffering from tornadoes and severe weather and is now targeting Kentucky. Mccracken County Executive Judge Craig Clymer declared a state of emergency in Mccracken County due to damage from the tornado. The judge's office reports that the main destruction is in the community of Fremont with damaged homes, power lines, and debris on the roads. Traffic is restricted within 1 mile of Fremont to emergency crews only until further notice. The Paducah National Weather Service reports damage after a storm system swept through the area with a tornado. According to a county statement, the Fremont area was the most severely damaged, with reports of homes damaged, downed power lines, and debris on the road. The NWS reports that homes were damaged and trees felled in the Fremont area of Mccracken County. This was reported by an off-duty National Weather Service employee. The reported damage occurred late Friday morning after 11 a.m. Kentucky Transportation Cabinet District 1 tells us that Highway 348 near South Husband Road is blocked. Power lines and trees have fallen in the area. The Mccracken County Sheriff's Office is urging people not to travel to the Fremont area as emergency crews are in the area going house to house. The Kentucky Transportation Cabinet reports flooded roads and downed trees in western Kentucky. Local 6 is hearing reports of downed power lines in the area, and Jackson Purchase Energy Cooperation reported that more than 4,000 members have been affected by outages.